The ThunderBuddy 01 media network gets a portion of their strike likes and revenue from advertisers, which allows videos like this and many alike it to be produced. Please consider disabling your ad blocker for this channel before proceeding with the video. Thank you and enjoy.
How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy 01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy 01 media network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy 01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell. KXI89 be like, hey baby.
Until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wyndham to near the bridge to near Bloomingburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. 20 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: Emergency Management reported trees and wires down in the towns of conjunction with this line of storms. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poughkeepsie, Kingston, Beacon, New Paltz, Hudson, Allendale, Catskill, Saugerties, Rennebec, Palming, Chatham, Hunter, Waukeil, Hyde Park, Milton, Plattekill, Pleasant Valley, Hurley, Claverack, and Woodstock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia, Dutchess.
Just got back inside, you sons of biscuits.
County in southern Vermont. Southern Wyndham County in southern Vermont. 840. From near Bennington to near New Ashford to near Pittsfield to near Housatonic, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: rain. Impact: additional damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pittsfield, Bennington, North Adams, Brattleboro, Williamstown, Lee, Lenox, Pownell, Cheshire, Vernon, Wilmington, Beckett, Otis, Stamford, Reedsboro, Florida, Hancock, Savoy, and New Ashford. The air temperature room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia and Rensselaer, and Berkshire, Massachusetts, and the following counties in Vermont, Bennington, and Wyndham. Severe thunderstorm. County in northern Connecticut, Berkshire County in western Massachusetts. southwestern Litchfield County, Berkshire County, northeastern Dutchess County, and east central New York. In east central New York, until line extending from Litchfield to west down to Columbia, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Stay, puppy, stay. You can't come out. Come on, stay.
Sharon, this and then. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight. Pelletown, Franklin Lakes. Carry a room on the low. Mostly cloudy. Here is the forecast for the effect until severe thunderstorm warning for Litchfield County until 9:30 p.m. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for until 9:30 p.m.
All right, puppy, you want to go outside and catch some storms? All right, let's go, puppy.
Hartford Center, Woodbury Center until New Hartford, Litchfield, Northwest Oakville, Carrollville, Center, Woodbury Center, Hammersville, Midwest, Cornwall, Watertown, Plymouth, Woodbury, Arlington, Barnton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe... Connecticut. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, eastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, northern Union County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Queens County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Hanover, or near Caldwell, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Queens County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Hanover, or near Caldwell. Around 12:40 p.m. Passaic and Lyndhurst around 12:45 p.m. Hoboken and Hackensack around 12:50 p.m. For the New York City metropolitan area, heat advisory in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. Today, mostly cloudy. A chance of thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Bronx County County in southeastern New York, Brooklyn in southeastern New York, northwestern Nassau County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York. Upton has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, County in northeastern New Jersey, producing heavy rain across the southeastern New York, Brooklyn in southeastern New York, northwestern Nassau County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Staten Island in southeastern New York, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, until 1 p.m. through 4 p.m. and 12:59 p.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauge indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain has fallen across eastern northeastern New Jersey. Small creeks and streams. Rainfall is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Rainfall areas are 4 p.m. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and areas, roadways, streets, and overpasses, as well as other water drainage and low-lying areas. Some portions that will experience flash flooding include heavy rainfall will cause flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement agencies. Excessive heavy rainfall will cause flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and other highways, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement.
This will be fun. WXM80 is still down. Now I just have to rely on KW35 and WWH33 and the others.
Thunderstorms will also be capable of producing locally heavy rainfall, which could lead to localized flooding of urban, poor drainage, and low-lying areas. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. There is a chance for thunderstorms on Thursday, mainly during the afternoon and early evening hours. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation may be needed today. Synopsis. A cold front will progress southeastward across the region today, which will bring an end to the heat wave. There will remain a good likelihood for additional showers and thunderstorms today, with some strong to severe thunderstorms possible mainly south and east of the capital district. Cooler and drier weather is in store for Tuesday as high pressure builds in from the west. Now for the regional day, which will bring an end to the heat wave. There will remain a good likelihood for additional showers and thunderstorms today.
Oh, I'm getting WX37 in here.
Possible mainly south and east of the capital district. Cooler and drier weather is in store for Tuesday. Up to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Tonight, tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued favorable for the development of severe weather.
You need to fix WXJ42 now.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Queens County in southeastern New York, west central Suffolk County in southeastern New York, and southeastern New York. Until 2:15 p.m. At 1:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Manhattan, or over Great Neck, moving east. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Queens County in southeastern New York, west central Suffolk County in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Manhattan, or over Great Neck, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gust 10 quarters Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Glencoe and Hempstead around 1:35 p.m. Westbury around 1:40 p.m. Levittown and Exville around 1:45 p.m. And Oyster Bay around 1:50 p.m. Lakeview and Farmingdale around 1:55 p.m. Huntington Station and Huntington around 2 p.m. Staff report around 2:05 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright, severe thunderstorm watch number 503 just got posted for Mount Holly.
This evening. This afternoon, showers and thunderstorms.
I had to change some of my radios around. Yep. I had to change some of my radios around because WXM80 is still off the air.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 503, effective until 10 p.m.
Really? You didn't go off?
This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Trenton, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset, and the following marine locations: coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Heat advisory in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. Severe thunderstorm.
Okay, I am surprised the V8 didn't go off. But yet the V5 100 that's over here did. I'm sincerely hoping this isn't just tropo, because I would love to have more monitors for KWO35 and WWH33. Because it gets boring just monitoring mostly WXM80, you know?
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound until 30 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Port Jefferson Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. A strong thunderstorm will be near Tarrant Point around 2:25 p.m. Central Long Island Sound around 2:50 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 502, effective along Island Sound at 1:30 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a line of strong thunder.
Alright, so looks like this temporary setup is only working because of Tropo.
Northwestern Suffolk County, moving east at 30 knots.
Which low-key kind of sucks, but
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles until 4:45 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Atlantic City, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Beach Haven, North Beach Haven, Garden State North Reef, Little Egg Reef, Little Egg Inlet, Ship Bottom, Brigantine and Garden State South Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorm moving through the waters just off the southern Connecticut coastline. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Silverton to 6 nautical miles northwest of Atlantic City, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Little Egg Reef, Ship Bottom, Barngat Light Reef, Garden State South Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Ford River, Lavalette, Beach Haven, Marlaget Light, North Beach Haven, Garden State North Reef, Shark River Reef, Little Egg Inlet, Seaside Park, Pine Beach, Point Pleasant Beach, and Brigantine. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. You are listening to News. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound until 1:45 a.m. At 12:38 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of reducing waterspouts was located near Long-Neck Point, moving east at 25 knots. Wind hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar indicating impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. A severe thunderstorm will be here. Enfield Reef around 1 a.m. Smithtown Bay around 1:05 a.m. Stratford Shoal around 1:15 a.m. Port Jefferson Harbor around 1:20 a.m. Parrot Point around 1:45 a.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the forecast for the New York City.